In today's video, I'm going to show you how to debug a Python script in Cursor to fix errors faster. First, open your Python file in Cursor where you're experiencing an issue. Next, highlight the part of the code that's causing the problem, or simply place your cursor near the error. Now open the AI chat panel and describe the issue. For example, you can say, "Why is this Python code throwing an error?" or "Fix this bug," and explain it. Cursor AI will analyze your code and suggest fixes, often pointing out mistakes like syntax errors, incorrect logic, or missing variables. You can also ask follow-up questions like, "Optimize this," or explain line by line to better understand what's happening. If needed, apply the suggested fix directly or copy the improved code into your script. Using AI chat makes debugging much faster since you get instant feedback and clear explanations. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please feel free to use the affiliate link in the description.